Cash is king, or is it? I asked a lot of our subscribers on our YouTube live stream this afternoon on the mobile app, where were you in the market? Do you think that the market's bullish, bearish, or neutral? I got a lot of answers. Some people thought we were bullish. Some people thought we were bearish. Some people thought we were neutral. And I'm in the camp of being neutral, which is why I think cash is king. But another question came up is, where is the opportunity of finding stocks that are making money? So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to help you guys out as well. But I really want to lay the groundwork of why I'm feeling that we're more neutral than not. First thing I want to do is get right into the VectorVest software, and I'm going to look at the VectorVest composite. Remember, folks, this looks at over the move of over 9,000 stocks, gives us the broad market move. As I am recording, look at the little rebound that's happening on the VectorVest composite today. A lot of buying pressure, but we are at a level of resistance sitting at 66.14. We are in this other channel that we were in for quite some time. I like the move coming off of this low of moving higher, but we're going to go back and forth, down day, up day, down day, up day. And now for a second day in a row, we are up. That gives you more signs of being bullish. But I want the market to come to me and show me something, because anything can happen and not get us through these next two levels of resistance. Let the market show me something in regards to if I feel the market is more bullish right now. On the bearish side, for anybody who's feeling that they're more bearish in the market, especially coming off of this high, are you comfortable shorting stocks right now? So if you keep that in mind and the answer is no, then maybe you're not as bearish as you think you are. Let's do one last thing. Coming off of this big bar right here, the MTI was at a level of 0.65, right at the level almost that we're looking for the market, looking for a bottom. The buy to sell ratio is at 0.19, already there because it was below 0.20. So in hindsight, looking back, potentially this is the bottom of the market after this debacle with the earnings non-payroll numbers coming out last week. The market, I think, overreacted. Now we're rebounding. We are fading the gap, which is also another bullish sign. But again, I want the market to show me something. What do I want the market to show me? I'm going to put this on the 3 and the 8. Let the market show me something. Looking at the market timing graph, putting the 3 and 8 exponential moving averages. Look at that. If the market can show me that the 3 exponential moving average can go above the 8, again, I am now more of the mindset that the bulls could be in charge pushing the market higher. But right now, none of that is happening. So I am saying that cash is king right now. Based on our indicators, we are moving higher. Looking at the MTI at 0.74, coming off that level of 0.65. The buy to sell ratio now is at 0.32, coming off of that 0.19. The market is definitely moving higher, but not enough for me to think that we're straight bullish yet. Let's wait for the 3 and the 8 to cross. Let's go back to let's go back. Where was I? Hold on, live stream. There's my, on that, what else am I looking for? I was looking for the star search. Let's go to star search, bring up the VVC. There's the star search as well. I've got the market moving up. I'm in the middle lane, but I've got 2 levels of resistance. I just want the market to show me something. All right, that's the cash is king side. I think that if nothing else, you should be keeping that in mind. Now, let's talk about some of those people who are asking me the question, so what stock should I get into right now? Well, I'm going to tell you, based on this, I would wait, but if you really need to get into the market, I've got what I've got called small cap AI stocks to keep your eyes on. AI is still the hottest thing out there. Still the hottest thing. Even though it got beat up, it's still the hottest thing out there. So I've got INOD, VRNT, and SoundHound. Somebody was asking me about SoundHound in my live stream today. I didn't answer the question because I wanted to bring it here today. It's down 3.5%, but what I do like about this watch list of stocks, look at the earnings growth, double digits. Look at the sales growth for INOD. more, it's almost twice the growth. And look at this, on SoundHound, the sales growth is killing the earnings growth. These are stocks that I do like. Let's graph these. These are stocks that I do like. If you really, really have to be in the market, these are stocks. INOD got into the fast lane. I'd like to see it break above that and stay above that. Back into the middle lane, but both DPOs are positive by looking at Star Search. VRNT, though, right at a level of resistance, sitting at the level of 33.22, but pulling back. And the only reason why I really like these stocks is because of the AI factor, and they are lower dollar AI stocks. But again, because cash is king, I'd still be careful with this. I'm going to show you one last thing. If you really want to know what's moving, I've created a watch list that I call my own heat map of the market. Let's go see, where are we at? Where's your money going? I usually show this on midday market on Monday. So if you don't join us, you want to get an idea of what the heat map looks like that we've created here. Right here, ETFs, industry ETFs. I've got ETFs out to cover just about every faction of the market, whether it's energy, finance, healthcare, regional banks, India, utilities, real estate. I've got ETFs to cover everything. And at any given time, I can sort this on any day by percentage price change to see what industry is moving. Copper today, oil, trust, Qs, India, China, healthcare, gold miners. If you guys want to be able to make this list, take a picture of this right now. This will give you all the way up into here. And then the second half of the list is all the way down here. I'd love for you to make this. This becomes your own heat map at any given time. Real time, a real-time heat map of what's moving in the market to take advantage of. So if you want to stay on top of it from that perspective, we got this here for you as well. One of my shortest videos. Folks, I thank you very much for joining us today. I still think cash is the king, but if you are really looking to get into the market because you feel the market is bullish, I've given you two opportunities. Low dollar AI stocks and your own heat map, live heat map to scour the whole universe of what's going on in the market to stay on top of that. So, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.